Introducing the Pixel 9a, the latest A-series phone from Google, blending powerful AI capabilities with unbeatable value. The Pixel 9a features a fresh design with a sleek, flat profile and rounded edges. Its upgraded 6.3-inch Actua display is the brightest on any A-series device, offering a 35% increase in brightness over its predecessor at 2,700 nits. The 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate ensures a smoother, more vibrant viewing experience. Under the hood, the Pixel 9a is powered by Google's latest AI-driven chip, ensuring seamless performance. With the integration of Gemini, your personal AI assistant, tasks like note-taking, setting reminders, and answering questions become effortless. Experience real-time language translation and AI-enhanced call screening, making your interactions smarter and more intuitive. Capture stunning photos with the Pixel 9a's 48 megapixel main camera, complemented by a 13 PTT ultra-wide lens. The new Macro Focus feature lets you take detailed close-ups, while AI-powered tools like Add Me and Reimagine make photo editing a breeze. The Pixel 9a boasts an impressive 5100 mAh battery that keeps you going for up to 24 hours. Plus, thanks to quick charging, you can reduce your downtime. Experience the latest Android OS, backed by 7 years of updates and security, ensuring your device stays safe and up-to-date. Starting at just $499, the Pixel 9a delivers premium, AI-powered features without breaking the bank. It's the smart choice for those seeking top-tier technology at an accessible price point. Smart, fast, and affordable, the Pixel 9a is designed to enhance your everyday life. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.